What's up, groomers? Thanks for watching Puppy Love Media's tips and tricks that we release every Tuesday to help your job become easier and get better results for each and every breed. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Let us know in the comments below what you would like to see in the future. We really appreciate your support. We love you. And on to the video. Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys today how to make these pretty bows that I make. And I'm going to show you two different kinds of bows. One with tulle and one with organza. So for the tulle, I usually just lay it out, cut a bunch of them. I'm just going to show you one. Pretty sparkles on the outside. So all you do for this first bow is fold it over once, twice, so both edges are folded, and then once this way, and once again this way. Now here you want to make sure it goes past the halfway point, so that when you put the rubber band on, it holds it down. So I just put my finger back there. I put one band through, and then I put this over it so that I can pull it out. And while it's here on your finger, you kind of adjust it, make it look good, and you want to pull it tight. I like to store it on pencils, or these little paper straws work well too. Now for the second bow, the organza doesn't fold up quite as easily, so make these any size you like. Use that piece for another bow. And you can also combine colors. So if you wanted to put a pink piece of organza on top of this one, that would work too. And here's another way to do the rubber band. You just wrap it around twice. If the other way, it takes a little bit of practice, and this is easier for some people. There you go. That's it. Now you have your bows made. Should have centered that one on my finger. Our two bows here. Now you want to pick out whichever kind of centerpiece you want on them. Alright, so after you have your bows made, you just take a little bit of hot glue and you place whatever center item that you like on it. So I like to do contrasting colors, just to have some variation. So I'll choose these two. All these other things also look cute on there. Now, if you want to put one on a barrette, all you do is take a little barrette like this. Glue. Stick it on there. And then what I do so that it stays on the hair by itself is I just put a little hot glue on this part and just a tiny bit on these two edges and let it dry, and that way it'll grip to the hair. You have a little self-gripping barrette bow. If you'd like, you can cut this rubber band off, but you don't have to. So there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video and learned something new. Please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when we drop new videos, and we really appreciate your support. Thank you.